Oh, the bells. They always do this to me as soon as I start. Here we go with the crazy hair again. Jeez. Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Today we are in La Coruña. Oh, come on. Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. The windows almost look like lace. They're so pretty, and yeah, whenever people see this, I see there that you could visit. There are a few restaurants. They're a little touristy. Ooh. Get in front. Oh, you stupid truck. Hello hoppers, did you know, okay, no. Hello hoppers and good morning. Did you know, it's here. Okay, this always happens. Problems or whatever, and I say, but sometimes I don't. So boarding was at, okay, because some people ask me that and I never show. I just, sometimes some people might be interested in that.
Okay, that's good. And don't worry, don't forget
It's not a problem. We have to stop over at Madrid. So the plane just arrived. They just announced that we're going to be 15. So the plane just arrived. Now we left the hotel really early because it's Monday morning. We thought we would encounter rush hour. The tube really wasn't that busy, and also what else was it? Oh, we thought we wouldn't be able to get on the train with the suitcases on in. I really don't know where I have to go because I actually don't know where I have to go, but I do know I have to check this sign and I have to go to departures. I have to look at this sign to look for my, I have to check this sign to look for my flight. That's all I know. So the tower, lighthouse. So this tower has been able to withstand 2,000 years of winds and storms and just terrible weather. On our way back, I think it's going to be 45 minutes, so it's going to be even worse. Maybe I should film that instead. No, whatever. Okay.
How many bags you want to check?
Come on. I know many people are interested in that because if, come on. Different languages involved, it's always a mess. Dankeschön. Thank you. Gracias. Merci. You never know what to say.